My name is Jessica Angel and I'm a visual artist. I entered the crypto space through this installation that I was commissioned to do that represented the Doge Ethereum bridge. I learned all about this stuff, which was kind of hard at the beginning. My role in the art and crypto scene has to do with making blockchain perhaps more accessible, more enjoyable, allowing people who don't know about blockchain to enter the space from an experiential perspective, an aesthetic perspective, to then learn more about the technology that sometimes from the get-go, just starting talking about blockchain may be a little bit of a wall. So I want to bring art to sort of play the role of an introduction to the space. I joined the makerspace, or created the concept of the makerspace on the first year of ETHDenver, taking over this top floor, inviting artists, inviting programmers to hack art and just like try and merge those things. And we have created countless collaborations up here. We started in 2018. 2019 we did a second version, and that's for this version we're doing makerspace again, but we're also incorporating the whole building as a sort of creative space, taking over the floors and doing this rainbow road that leads all the way up to here. If we compare from the past experiences, I see that on my end, I come from the art side and I'm bringing the art. It's evolving, we're taking over the building, but I also see this sort of evolution from the other sides. I see how the whole event has grown and become more solid and all the parts are integrating. We created an open call for artists to bring their crypto art pieces to the event. So on the first floor we have an art gallery. It's an auction taking place on OpenSea. We have 35 artists who were sort of gathered through Twitter and social media, and it's amazing. The quality of the art is amazing. I curated that with Annie Phillips. We have the Hacking the Tower. It was also an open call to bring the artists to ETHDenver in collaboration with David Moak, who is projecting some of these pieces in the Denver's clock tower. We selected about 10 artists, loop of art projected, video mapped on the tower. We have hardware workshops here. We have 2 people from last year's Makerspace who are taking over the role of facilitators for hackers to use hardware and to create interactions between data and art. We have the Virgin of Crypto, which is a collection of crypto art that is all inspired in Virgin Mary from Latin America, so it's the sort of crypto art chapel. We have Super Rare, we have the arcade. It's fascinating the amount of different things that we have going on. So Art Decentralized is this community of artists and programmers. We basically live on Telegram and have all sorts of discussions around blockchain, NFTs, how art can be integrated with blockchain, hacking with hardware, and just gathering and feeling these spaces taking over walls and floors. And we want to create an opportunity for others to collaborate. It's almost like unexpected collaborations. That's what we want to do here. Have people that come from different places meet here and end up working together. We have artists who've never done anything in blockchain, so it's their first approach to it. We have people from the Theo Goodman, for example, from the Rare Pepe Foundation, other blockchains. What I tried to do this year was to invite artists and programmers who are not necessarily Ethereum, kind of thinking about opening the space more and the concept of interoperating, maybe through NFTs. It's incredible to see the work that the team, ETHDenver team, does. I don't understand how many layers can be put together. It's really worth looking into what ETHDenver is and all the different things that are happening. It's quite amusing.